Hello everyone. Welcome to this talk about one of the most powerful ways to learn English, the shadowing technique. If you have ever tried to improve your English speaking and felt shy, slow, or unsure about pronunciation, this method will truly help you. Today, I'm going to share what shadowing is, why it works, and how you can use it in your daily life to speak English confidently and naturally. So let's begin. Part 1. What is the shadowing technique? The word shadowing means to follow someone closely just like your shadow follows you when you walk in the sunlight. In English learning, shadowing means listening to a native speaker and speaking at the same time, copying the sound, rhythm, and tone as exactly as you can. For example, if you play a video or an audio of someone saying, "Good morning, how are you today?" You immediately repeat it not after but with them. "Good morning, how are you today?" You don't stop to translate or think too much, you just listen and copy like an echo. It's like singing along with your favorite song. Your mouth and ears start to work together. Part 2. Why shadowing works. Now, why is shadowing so powerful? Because it trains your brain, ears, and mouth at the same time. Your brain learns the natural order of English, how real people speak. Your ears become sharper, you start to hear sounds that you never noticed before. Your mouth gets used to moving like a native speaker. Your pronunciation improves without memorizing rules. Many language experts say shadowing is the fastest way to improve speaking fluency because it connects listening and speaking directly. Part 3. How to start shadowing. Let's talk about how you can begin. Step 1. Choose a short audio. Pick something short, maybe a 30-second or 1-minute clip. It can be from YouTube, a podcast, a movie scene, or even a speech. Choose a voice you like, someone who speaks clearly. Step 2. Listen first. Listen to the clip carefully once or twice. Don't speak yet, just understand the meaning and sound. Step 3. Shadow it. Now play it again and speak with the speaker. Try to match the sound, speed, and emotion. It's okay if you make mistakes. Your goal is not perfection, it's practice. Step 4. Repeat it every day. Do this for 10-15 minutes daily. Over time, your mouth will remember how English feels and your speech will become natural. Part 4. A simple example. Let's try an example together. Imagine you hear this line from a movie. "I believe in myself, I can do it." Now shadow it. "I believe in myself, I can do it." Say it again with power and emotion. Every time you say it, your confidence grows. You are not only learning English, you are building a new voice for yourself. Part 5. Tips to make shadowing more effective. Start slow, don't rush, it's okay to go line by line. Record yourself, listen to your voice, and compare it to the speaker. Use subtitles at first, then slowly remove them. Choose interesting topics. Motivation grows when you enjoy what you listen to. Be consistent, even 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Remember, small steps every day make big changes. Part 6. My personal experience. Let me tell you a short story. When I first started learning English, I used to repeat after YouTube videos every morning. At first it was hard, my tongue felt heavy, my accent sounded strange. But I didn't stop. Every day I shadowed new sentences. After a few months, something magical happened. I could speak without translating. I could feel the rhythm of English in my head. That's when I knew shadowing really works. Part 7. Common mistakes to avoid. Some learners make these mistakes. Trying to shadow long videos too early. Worrying about grammar while shadowing. Speaking too softly or without energy. Remember, shadowing is not grammar practice, it's speaking training. Be loud, be clear, and be full of life. Conclusion. So my friends, if you truly want to speak English fluently, don't just study English, live it. Use your ears and your voice together. Start shadowing today. Listen, speak, repeat. Let English become a part of your daily life, in your room, while walking, or while cooking. Believe me, your English will change. Your confidence will grow. And one day, you'll realize you no longer learn English, you speak it. Thank you for listening, and remember, your voice matters. Speak English boldly. Shadowing, the secret to speaking English fluently. Stop studying, start speaking. English shadowing method.